Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to return items on Fashion Nova application. So first of all, launch Fashion Nova app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Then at the bottom right, tap on the category of Me, and then tap on the option of Help Center. Now over here, you'll see the option of Returns and Refunds. Tap on it. Now tap on Get Started. So now, if you have any orders associated with your account, you will be able to find it here and you would be able to make a refund or a return request. So in my case, I do not have any purchases or orders yet. So the orders have not been displayed here. In case if you have certain orders, you will be able to see the option to return your item to Fashion Nova. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.